What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on my channel, my name is Khadijah and today we're back with another hair tutorial for you guys. Today we'll be installing a unit from Afsisterwigs and I'm super excited. I love when Afsisterwigs send me units because they're always just top tier and good quality. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what we received in our package today. So as always, we received some goodies in our package. This is the unit we're installing today. This one is their 12-inch straight bob unit. It has a density of 180%, but you can see it looks so good. It's such high quality wig. And then the lace on this one is a 9x6. This is their new 9x6 lace, so it gives you that really nice deep part. The unit comes pre-cut, but I still need to cut a little bit more off. Also has the removable combs on the inside, so you can go ahead and take them out if you don't want to have them in there. It comes with the adjustable band in the back and then the non-slip silicone as well. This is it. This is what it's looking like. This is it. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and remove these two side combs because I always cut them out anyways, and since they're removable, they're way easier to just go ahead and take them out. So let's go ahead and take these out. So I went ahead and removed the two side combs because I never use them anyways, and since they're removable, why not? So I'm about to apply some foundation on my lace just so it blends a little better. Let's go ahead and do that before we put our wig on. So this is the wig now that I put it on, and it is given. Like, look at the hairline. Everything is just given plucked. It's given natural in the roots, and I love how it's looking already. As I said earlier, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the excess lace, but they did like cut off majority of it. So this is it. It should be a super easy install. Has that really nice deep part. Let me show you from the sides as well. It's giving us natural all the way around. I promise. This is it. This is it. I love it. Let's go ahead and finish up our wig. So I just cut the lace off and it's giving us a really natural look. It's still not glued. Like, this is 100% glueless right now and I am loving it. It is looking amazing. But I will be gluing it. I will be using my Even Wonder Lace Bond glue to install my unit. Alright guys, so I just finished melting the lace, and this is it. Like, it is melted, blended in with my skin, and I just love how this turned out. This is it. Let's go ahead and finish our wig. I definitely will be leaving it like natural in the front, but this is it. Definitely like leaving it natural. Alright guys, so this is the final look. This is it, and then I curled it upward instead of down, and I am loving it. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I definitely love how easy this was to install. It's comfortable, and I love how it's looking. The lace smells great, and the wig overall is just so pretty. This is it. This is it. This unit is from Afsisterwigs, and this is their 9x6 12-inch bob wig, and I am in love with this unit. It's giving us a really flawless finish. It's giving us natural hair. I love how it's looking, how it turned out. If you want to get this unit, go ahead and click the link in my description to make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Afsisterwigs, I will be leaving their website down below, so go ahead and check them out. I love the unit. It's definitely a 10 out of 10. It's super pretty, very, 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 very gorgeous, and I just love how this turned out. This is it. Very bouncy. I love it. It's super soft, and it's holding these curls. Like, look at that. It's holding the curls even though it's a straight unit. I just love how this turned out. This is it. This is where I'm leaving you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Let me know how you feel about this unit. And most importantly, remember to subscribe to my channels for more videos and more tutorials. Until next time, I'll see you guys in another video.